Got a lesson for you from Kyle from his new album See When I'm Famous. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Yes. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of a single riff. So for this, we're going to start on the 4th fret of the A string. Then 3rd fret A string. Then 1st fret A string. Then 1st fret low E string. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Yes. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.